Organic Spec Private Limited promotes and facilitates organic farming for better human health, better plant health and better environment. Rice Tungro disease. Rice Tungro disease is caused by the combination of two viruses and generally transmitted by leafhoppers. Tungro infects cultivated rice, some wild rice relatives and other grassy weeds commonly found in rice paddies. Symptoms. Plants affected by Tungro exhibit stunting and reduced tilling. Their leaves become yellow or orange-yellow and may also have rust-colored spots. Discoloration begins from leaf tip and extends down to the blade or the lower leaf portion. Delayed flowering. Panicles are small and not completely exerted. Most panicles are sterile or partially filled with grains. Young leaves are often mottled, with pale green to whitish interveinal stripes, and the old leaves may have rusty streaks of various sizes. Tungro virus disease affects all growth stages of the rice plant, specifically high at vegetative stage. Survival and mode of spread. The viruses are transmitted by leafhoppers that feed on Tungro-infected plants from one plant to another. The most efficient vector is the green leafhopper. Leafhoppers can acquire the viruses from any part of the infected plant by feeding on it. It can immediately transmit the viruses to other plants within 5 to 7 days. Favorable environment. Immigration of adult leafhopper into rice crops from other rice crops, regenerated rice plants, volunteers, or in the case of some species, weeds. Presence of the virus sources. Presence of the vector. Age and susceptibility of host plants. Control of rice Tungro disease in organic farming. Variety selection. Here are a few rice varieties that are reported to have some degree of resistance or tolerance to rice Tungro disease. IR36, IR64, TDK1, Pusa Basmati, Co45, Co48, Sureka, Vikramaya, Bharani. Cultural practices. You can watch our earlier video, Cultural Practices to Control Diseases of Rice in Organic Farming. Organic Management. Green leafhoppers, as vectors, are to be controlled effectively in time. This can be done by spraying neem or azadirachtin oil. Mechanical management. Light traps can be used to control and attract the leafhopper vectors. It also helps in population monitoring. Biological management. Two fungi, Beauveria bassiana and Pichilomyces amonaroseus, are reported as parasites of rice green leafhopper. Spraying of conagel suspension of these fungi kills the vectors.